Nowadays, you don't discriminate. You got ladies and gentlemen which are all paying their bill. So for us, whether it's a lady, whether it's a man, they all come here for service, they all come here for food. They got to be equally treated. We, unfortunately, being male chauvinistic people, sometimes we assume because it's a couple that the gentleman is paying the bill and not the lady. But that's an assumption. So we should do, this one should be done, the homework, when we make the booking. And the customers should make the booking. When they, sometimes is upsetting me because the customers don't make clear also who's the host of the table, who's not the host, because then you probably got a couple, the lady is paying, but she probably give the wine list to the husband because he's more knowledgeable about wine to make it. So that's confusing also the issue. So sometimes the poor waiter doesn't know where he stands, and I don't blame that waiter for that thing. But if we know the lady is in charge, the lady will be in charge of the party. You know, there is no equivocal on that. I mean, we respect that, on the contrary.